Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so hello everyone. So my name is Ihsan. So now I am stand in front of you all. I wanna do the Pecah Kucha presentation. That's the theme that I will be deliver is about my story at IDN from the first time until now. So, what things that do in my life in IDN? So, we just start. So, for the first time I in IDN boarding school is in the 220. There is the name is have a pandemic. So I am in IDN boarding school is to learn from online using Zoom, using Google Meet and others. And at the online times, I learn more easy, more like IT, English, dunia. But it's not a long time. It's only in the first semester, and in the second semester, the learn system in IDN come to offline again. So this is a picture of the first time I go to IDN. There is in this time there is still a pandemic, so there is so many medical person to have task to check the student who comes to IDN with swab test and yes. And there is a picture that first time I at IDN, there is the all people still must use mask and the must safety distance. Okay, so and there is so many activities for the first time I went to IDN. Example, there is go to river, playing water. There is so many activities like archery, and in this second semester, there is first time me do Ramadan not in the home, but in IDN. Then there is more fun because we open fasting with all of friends and others. And after finish the 7th grade, I have learned more, especially in IT. I learned about the Google application, about making game with Scratch, Birchbox, and I learned how to make website. There is a material what I learned in 7th grade in IT material. And after 7th grade, I went to the 8th grade. In the first 8th grade, I'm not come to offline because I am late for register the first quarter, yeah, let's say. And in the first offline in 8th grade, is only little student that attend in IDN in junior high school. You can see the picture. There is in Morning Spirit is only like not 10-50 people, and I'm not join, so I'm not know some activities in this time. So yeah, and in this time I have joined in IDN in maybe after 2 weeks. Yeah, after 2 weeks new semester I joined at IDN, and there is so many activities. Example like finally the canteen has made the new place to eat. There is a name we know is gazebo, and yeah, so many people attend in second quarter like me. Okay, we go to next slide. So in this session, finally there is so many more students attend in IDN, especially in junior high school, and we have learn more easy because some more people that attend in online. And in this session too, the first time of visiting parents, because before this time parents cannot visiting because there is still pandemic, and in this time the pandemic has more loss, and there is like more activities, like there is a rihlah, go to Cibodas, and yeah, so we go to the there is I have complete the 8th grade activities and 8th grade learn. There is some project that I learn in 8th grade, especially in IT. There is I learn about embedded system. There is making some robotic, learn about robotic, making like robotic that must follow the line and other project. And I made some simple design. We learn about simple design in 8th grade using Figma, using Adobe, make animation and other. So there is activities in there is a project in 8th grade. So we come to the 9th grade, or the last grade in junior high school. That I have remember in this 9th grade, the all of dormitory teacher must change with the people university. Okay, there is the all of dormitory teacher change, and there is so many activities after in first semester. There is like cooking class. I have cooking then kabuli rice in 9th grade with my friend in my dormitory, and there is activities like open fasting in the outside of IDN, and because in 9th grade time the pandemic is, I think, have lost. Yeah, we can go outside because before that we cannot go to outside because so many still pandemic. So, and there is activity in 9th grade. There is visiting the panti asuhan. Me and my friend in dormitory visit the panti asuhan to play with the people, to give fun with the people in panti asuhan. And there is activity event like rihlah and IDN fest. In 9th grade, we rihlah or holiday activities in Tidung Iceland and we have activities. Their name is LDKS. We did activities like camping. Like camping. All of 9th grade must join this event. Okay, and so there is the project in 9th grade. There is we have made the making simple application using the name is using Kodular. In Kodular we made application with more easy because there is a system is block programming, and we made we learn about basic of coding using Android Studio. And in the second semester about IT we learn about networking. So, and we have finished the IDN Junior High School. There is a photo of wisuda, graduation in I forgot the name of place, and the photo, the image of the 9th grade student or the 4th generation of junior high school IDN in Jonggol. Yeah. So we come to my story in the first time at senior high school student. In the first time, I'm not continue to learn, but we in senior high school have activities. The name is LDKS, MPLS. Yeah, LDKS is like we go to camp to we go to camp for making leader role in the two student in senior high school. And there is MPLS, there is introduce the teacher, introduce the 11th grade, introduce the OSIS, and introduce the major of in senior high school. And there is some activities in class. We learn, I'm in RPL, so about IT, I learn about making coding and making website using HTML, CSS. Yeah, there is some picture about picture when the 10 RPL class has learned in the class. And in senior high school, I have in the first semester I have joined some event, not me, but maybe all of student in 10th grade in 7th generation of senior high school. There is like edu race. We have to go to Lampung with only little money. We must sell the item and other. And there is a rihlah that have joined all of student in 7th generation, and especially for an RPL or RPL software engineer class have joined some like event. The name is Keras Community Day in Jakarta and DevFest in Bogor. Okay. And there is the project that I have do in senior high school, especially in the first semester. We have learned about website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and we have made some English project. There is the last English project that I still remember is podcast. But before podcast, there is so many English project. And for Dinia, that I remember, made some poster, mind mapping, and that in this picture there is making motion graphic about Shiro. Okay, so I think just that for the story in IDN. Thank you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.